I'm okay, I'm in the Chief. We're making a little video here, just explaining our Bluetooth system, if you don't mind being on that video.
No, not at all.
Just wanted to show the people here out on the internet that we are using the original CB radio that's stock here in this Cherokee Chief, and we have full Bluetooth connectivity, so I can talk to my friend Daniel here, or simply listen to music. So I'm gonna hang up on you, Daniel, if you don't mind, and gonna continue listening to some nice music. Take care, man.
You too, man.
Take care. Bye.
Bye-bye.
So the system we have integrated here in this Cherokee Chief is basically, we still use the stock AM FM CB radio that we have on the dash. We don't want to mess around with the looks of the vehicle. That radio belongs in here, it's period correct, and the functionality is still ongoing. You can control the volume, you can tune into your favorite radio station, but at the same time we have a digital processor in the back that filters out the sound emitted by that radio to produce a better quality sound, and which basically allows us also to connect to our phone. This is Spotify, we're listening to Steely Dan. We can pick up any phone conversation, or we can just tune back into the good old stock radio. We have 4 Infinity speakers under, incorporated into the door panels and the rear panels, and we got a subtle, nice subwoofer under the seat, giving that additional little touch of bass. Nice touch, good volume, it's all preamplified. Keep on rocking. If you like the system, reach out, 832-475-1822. Check out our website, www.jeepheritage.com, or Facebook, Instagram under Jeep Heritage. Take care.